mind. Then there are going to be numbers. Some people are given to understanding them. I can't understand them beyond a point of time. But I do understand that I try to interact with people as much as I can, and I'd like to for them to engage and be affected by the movies that I make, or get entertained by the movies that I make. That is one almost an illogical calculation that I have in my mind.
So basically, both of you do agree with what is sort of the motion of the day, that the action hero is on the wane, or would you?
See, I really think that I mean, when a person is getting angry, there needs to be a motivation, right? And that motivation is something that is born out of a story or a narrative progression. So if that is absent, you know, nothing really makes sense. I mean, why this song? Why is he getting angry? Why is he doing this? So I feel that the root of it is in the writing, and in creating newer stories, or creating stories that would be developed into, you know, films, and give characters the certain, you know, the kind of motivation and things like that. And yeah, so there you know, we don't get to see action heroes too often right now, but
of course, Airlift is releasing today, and it might just be a big hit, and then, you know, we'll have to visit all our...
I think the answer of this question is very simple, and this whole conversation can be just summed up in a line, and that is that yes, there is a fall of the action hero in Hindi films. For sure there is. And but we are trying to give to the audience bit by bit so that we can live up to our reputation of finishing the duration. But there are many reasons behind it, and one of the things is also that in the Hindi film industry, many directors want to make movies that they believe in, or that they can emotionally connect with.
Right.
Rage is a difficult thing to connect with for a year and a half, which is the time that it takes to make a movie. You know, you feel enraged, but for how long? There has to be a deep sustaining reason for which supplies you with that rage. And these reasons are usually not personal.
These reasons
are sociological.
Bigger,
they are social. There's something which is amiss, and it angers me each time I you know, go through that path. So those, actually the outlook also of the country has changed a lot.
Were there any? Do you dispute the concept?
See, I don't need to think about this, because my favorite action hero was Mithun Chakraborty, and my favorite film was this film called Param Dharam, where in the end he takes out a huge wheel from the thela and he turns it around and he throws it at the villain. And I remember renting that VHS from the guy who would come to rent VHS in our house. I still remember his name very strangely. Anyway, so
tell us.
Bonamali Shatra.
Bonamali Shatra.
Yeah. And so I remember renting that VHS for months. So it would stay in my house, and I would keep seeing that scene over and over again. So yeah, Mithun Chakraborty.
So has anything ever matched up to that?
No.
Superman matched up to that?
I don't think so.
No, not at all. Not at all. I missed it. I'm going to catch it soon. Recently, I saw a film called Gunda.
Oh!
See the reaction? It's an action film.
I have a Bulla dub smash on my phone.
Bulla. Okay.
I should start taking notes, I think, you know. This is going to be very educative.
Have you seen Gunda?
I've never been able to sit through it, but yes, I've seen it in bits and pieces.
Is it the Sunny Deol?
No, it's the Mithun Chakraborty. I just saw it recently, and I'm still reeling under the influence of that. It will change me permanently.
But what about the time you were growing up?
There was The Angry Young Man. Of course, most of these movies that I'm going to talk about I haven't seen in theatre, but I think it was the biggest influence of my very early growing up years. Amitabh Bachchan. Many of you are much younger than me and perhaps wouldn't really know who Amitabh Bachchan was at a time, you know, where people. I remember there was a time when in Jamshedpur talkies, a movie of Amitabh Bachchan's was supposed to come, and they were contemplating whether they should put the slide of coming soon, Giraftar, in the interval or not.
Why?
Because they expected violence just to, on seeing this clip, this one static slide of Amitabh Bachchan like this. So then there was this whole conversation about between the cinema owner and the manager of that MGM college has come. So there are so many boys, they might just get excited and break some chairs. And I have seen this happening. 25 chairs in Jamshedpur talkies have been broken down because a slide of Amitabh Bachchan has come in the interval. They broke the chairs. They got so excited. So Amitabh